Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the link ready so LinkedIn displays a professional destination. Choose a stable host. A personal domain or GitHub pages works well, and confirm HTTPS and mobile responsiveness because viewers open profiles on phones. Once done, test loading speed and fix images or scripts that slow it. Make a short, readable alias or use a custom domain so the link looks tidy in your profile. Finally, copy the final URL to your clipboard so you're ready to paste into LinkedIn. You now place the link where it gets highest visibility, the featured section. Open your profile and choose Add Profile section, then Featured, and pick Add a Link. Paste the clipboard URL and wait while LinkedIn generates a preview. This creates a thumbnail and meta text that users see first. Make sure to overwrite the auto title and description with a concise project highlight and a clear call to action so recruiters know what to view and why. Once satisfied, save the featured item. Finish by embedding the portfolio in contact info and your About summary to reach different viewers. Edit contact info and paste the URL into the website or other field so it appears as a clickable link. Then, in About, write one compelling sentence that directs readers to view specific work, plus one brief project highlight to entice clicks. Once done, preview your public profile to confirm links and thumbnails work. If preview fails, resave meta tags or re-upload images and clear LinkedIn cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.